What's up, stream? Um, just caught 100 points on Nasdaq. Here's how I caught 100 points on Nasdaq. This really wasn't like a big trade that I took. It's just I wanted my 100 points and I'm gone. That's because today's No News Tuesday, so like we have no news, and tomorrow's like FOMC weekend. Correct. I mean, not. I think it is FOMC. Yeah, that's not my fault though. Like we have to stay attentive to the kind of FOMC. So I kind of expect market today to like consolidate a little bit. Or so the thing about FOMC is that if nobody knows where price is gonna go, price is gonna consolidate. But if people are like, oh my god, tomorrow it's gonna be bullish. Tomorrow's gonna be bullish. Tomorrow's gonna be bullish. Like, oh my god, like the Fed is gonna increase, like come out with statements that's gonna make the news bullish. And today, everybody's gonna put in their order and make market go up because they expect it to go up tomorrow. Like a bunch of like retail traders, right? And so, yeah, that's how I trade FOMC. So today, I kind of do expect it to go up because like of all the news that's been going on with like SpaceX and shit. Yeah. So again, 100 point move, not too much, not that big of a not that big of a what's it called of a. I mean, 100 points is still a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Like it's better than like 20 than most people. But I did take this one L, up, and then I took this win, basically like bottom ticket all the way up here, almost 100 points. So on the 15-minute time frame, there was a when I first went into that long, I saw this like uh these are like Asia session trades. Hold on, let me turn it out. That's kind of distraction. It's kind of distracting. So basically, what's like going on is I saw like an SMT forming like on that first trade, so I didn't expect us to take this low until it ran through down, and then it took out this lows, tapped back into here, retested it again because we tested this in Asia session, and I saw like a rejection block forming, and I took like here a trade yesterday like on live. That was this, and then I decided to like trade a little bit over here too. Um, a lot of break evens, but I knew where like the market was gonna go. So yeah. By the way, made $2,000 today. So, anyways, back to what I was saying. So we tap over here. I like seeing candles like these. Like this is like I don't know, something about these candles that's like they're kind of like orders. They're kind of like supply and demand orders that like price loves to go into, and then reject off of. There were some really good ones. Um, like I don't know when we were trading, but it was like I think like a month ago where it just consistently tapped into one of them and just price decided to like go up. So yeah. So right now also if I were to take a trade again, I'm looking at this 15 minute fair value gap and maybe displace a little bit lower. But since it's FOMC and we might consolidate. But again, I don't know, we could be bullish. But yeah, so again, like I said, tapped into here, retested it, li- liquidities ran. Well, it didn't run through all the way. This is like a smaller like liquidity, but yeah, took it based off of that, and then we decided to like pump a little bit, take my 100 points, and I'm gone. Yeah, take my 100 points, and I'm gone. So yeah, that's basically it. I am gonna try to look for like a trade on paper though, so just so yeah, just cause. Let me check my gold stocks. So basically here on gold, um, I like the whole point of this gold thing is that I put money in it, like, but this is like long term investments. Like if I were to invest in normal stocks, and I guess I'm up 6% today. I mean, within the last like week, 4 days, yeah, like a week, I'm up 6% on gold. I'm just waiting for it to like come up here. I guess you could say this is like swing trading, but like I don't know. Thank you, thank you. All right, so the 1 minute looks like we're gonna reject here a little bit. Um, Maybe go down a little bit and then go straight up, or we could just shoot straight up. I personally, I wouldn't be trading this until like we test something down here. So yeah, or if we tap into here and leave a big wick displacement. So it looks like we're gonna retrace a little bit. I don't know if that's a reversal point. So how to know if it's like a reversal point? You open a Bookmap, but in this case, like, because mostly I don't have it, and I personally don't have it and don't use it. I'm just gonna look at how the candles are forming. The 5 minutes great. So right now we leave these 2 wicks on this 5 minute and fair value gap, but I don't like how we like keep displacing like down here. So like now this could close and then take out this low and then shoot straight up. So I'm gonna mark this low right here. Or we could do that, leave it open. So honestly, I'm gonna test it. And I'm not looking for something too big. Maybe just, why is all the candles like that? Alright, we're gonna test it on here. Once we take out this high, I'm gonna move my stop loss over here. Which one am I in? What could be happening right now, since could be rejecting off of here, but no. Alright, since we have like big displacement, I don't mind putting my stop loss down here a little bit more earlier. Once we make a new low and then higher high again, that's when I'll put in my stop loss at break even. Or if we have big displacement, kind of like that, then I wouldn't mind putting it at break even. Again, trade with the flow. Like I said, like I said yesterday on the other live stream, like trading with the flow is the best thing you can do. Um, the best thing you can do. Like literally, like you just have to look for like a pullback, some type of pullback, and then get in your position, and you're chilling. That's all you have to do. Actually, I'm putting my take profit down here, just in case, and mark out this 15-minute. We're tapping into it, so yeah. Damn, and it looks like we got stopped out. So, I mean, I guess that was a trade idea. We did sweep out these lows now, so again, going long doesn't seem that bad right now. But I'd have to see like some type of rejection block. Yeah, look, these left like wicks or something. So, and it looks like it's rejecting off of the 15-minute. So, yeah, and now we're seeing displacement lower. So yeah, but what's it called? The 5-minute has not closed yet, so I want to see how it closes. Okay, good rejection, sorta. Um, but it also could be a pullback within the 5-minute. But how it is placed, I don't really think. You know what? We're gonna try it again. It's kind of like a big stop loss. I don't really like trading like this. Like, I don't like. I don't really like trading when usually at 9:30 if I don't have my trade, then it's like I don't know, it's kind of like weird cuz like today I kind of expected markets to be like a little bit choppy, not like too much. All right, whatever. I guess stopped out. Like I said, it's like I don't know, it's just it's really weird trading this late into the morning, at least for me. Sometimes we do get good reversals though. So, yeah. Anyways, um, those are two bad trades. Not gonna lie, just kind of took them because it was a paper trade. But I think I gotta hide this real quick. All right. So, anyways, paper trade, not really good at it, I guess. But live account took these took two trades, one L that I thought this SMT was gonna form, and this win that I and the one that I took. All right, bruh, hold on. All right, yeah. All right, peace.